do, put that gel or lotion or whatever we're gonna use, just a little bit. We just need a tad bit.
So if you do the fire cupping, clearly you would need to use this, a glass. But if you just doing regular cupping, you just use the pump thing.
Yeah, just need a vacuum.
And this, a vacuum.
Now this one's without the vacuum though, so you're just gonna squeeze and then place it on the body and then release. Now you don't have to shock the person's body like that. That release, I just do it that way because I get a good suction. So you can actually put it on the person's body.
And you massage
and
with
push
that
down.
also.
Yeah.
Which one is that right here?
This one's a silicone. You can see. Because it's not as hard and crazy. So again, suction, put the fingers, release the fingers. And then we just move.
See, for me to do something like that, I would be looking for like an immediate, you know, like you know what I'm saying? When I get up, I might want to feel like, oh my God, my back and neck pain or no more.
Oh man, I don't think that's ever gonna happen to anybody. I wish. Well, when I get a massage, I feel better, but nothing ever cured me after that massage. Yeah, I can.
Usually after I get a massage, I feel pretty good for like 2 days.
Right,
And then
right,
after
right.
that, it's
It
back
goes
to
back.
the same.
Me too. I'm the same way. But see, and that's why I need to get regular massage. I don't get.
Right.
I just get them once in a blue moon. Now, if I got it like every Monday, Wednesday through Friday, like 3 times, like if a physical therapist tells you to come in, but I can't afford to come in, you know.
We can work something out.
Yeah, if you trade. Yeah, see, there you go. That's right, we can. Right, and that's the best thing about like school. When we're doing massage every day, yeah, in massage school, oh yeah, I was great. I don't think I had problems ever. Like the 6 months that we went, yeah, because we were getting
No,
massages
it says
every
cupping.
day.
It's in a brown box.